Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest.
Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock Book 2. Today we will discuss and learn about grammar using S at the ends of verbs. On the left, I play. On the right, he plays. I read, he reads. I write, she writes. We play, Kiko plays. Some verbs change. Study becomes studies, watch becomes watches, go becomes goes. Choose the correct form. Great, you can say what he or she does at school.